It's a set. And there are 5 different capacity. The smallest one is 416 milliliter. Second one is 700 milliliters and 915 milliliters. (1,300 milliliters), and the last one is the biggest one. It's 180,000 milliliters. These are 5 different dimensions. And these food containers are made from high-quality plastic. You guys can use them to store vegetables, fruits, and various foods. And let me show you the details. Each food container has a lid with 2 backs, and there is a silicone gel stuck in the lid. They are made from BPA-free and food-grade material. So, if you buy them, this container will have a longer use life than many other brands. They are transparent and a black lid. And each container has a carton to package like this. It's very exquisite. One OPP bag and a paper carton. This is how it packaged. Next product is our transparent plastic shoe storage box. Today I bring 2 different shoe storage boxes. First, let me tell you some details about it. This product has 2 ways of open. This one is drop front. You can front in this side. It's drop front. And this one is drop side. The drop side is wider. It's drop in this face. 可以看清吗? And it's a little large because its large size. It is 30 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 7.5 inches high. These large capacity shoe boxes can organize your various type of shoes. For example, flats, sneakers, flip-flops, sandals, wedges, running shoes, etc. The product is also a storage container, but it's used in fridge. That's the difference. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sizes. And they are stackable design one by one. And the bigger one can contain the smaller one, as you can see. And if you buy tons of it, we will stack them into a carton. That's how we pack them. 这什么材质啊？PT。They are made from high quality and durable plastic. It's very sturdy, and they are different. They are kinds of stripes at the bottom. As you can see, there are stripes, so that when you put it on your desk, on your kitchen, it won't flip. That's how these stripes works. And they are 4 little bulges in the 4 corner at the bottom. There are little bulges here. Can you see that? There are little bulges. When you stack them, the bulges will stack it. As you can see, it will stacked by the bulges, so it won't fall down too much, so that you can put it up very easily. See? It's very convenient. Last product is our kid chair, plastic kid chair. How cute it is, right? It's very cute. This plastic chair has 4 different sizes and 8 different colors, like blue, green, red, pink, purple, and so on. You can check it on our product. They are also stackable. How cute they are. You know what? When I first saw them, I could imagine my kids sit down on it someday in the future. They are very cute, very adorable. And very easy to clean if you make it mess. It's very easy to clean. And the different colors make these chairs a fun addition to the environment. It can lighten up your room. I think your children will be more excited to play on them, right? They're very cute. Different colors, different sizes.